Aloha! Today I will be reviewing with you how to put in your elastics to achieve a corrected and comfortable bite. The easiest way to put the elastics on is when the aligners are out of your mouth. You want to make sure the biting surface of the aligner or the closed parts are sitting on each other like so. Once you have them together, you will identify where the cutouts are on the aligners. There's a hook up here and two on the bottom. You will use the second to the last hook as the very last hook is used as a backup. You will then connect the elastics to each hook. Once the elastics are on, hold the aligners like a sandwich. Without opening too wide, place the aligners into your mouth. Press firmly around the arch to ensure the aligners are sitting flush to your teeth. Once placed, the elastics and aligner should look like this inside of your mouth. This concludes our instructional video. If you have any questions, please give our office a call and we would be happy to help you. Thank you again for choosing Holliday Orthodontics, where we create beautiful and confident smiles.